Today I stand here content with my success and my parents are proud. This is all because of Universal Tutorials. UT is the best institute for providing guidance, supporting the students and inspiring the students. I thank Anubhav sir and the whole UT faculty for guiding me throughout the year. Thank you.
I especially found the test series program at UT very beneficial as it was very meticulously designed. But the best thing about UT is that it created a great competitive spirit in me due to the presence of some of the brightest students in Navi.
Hello, I'm Dr. Anita Padmanabhan, mother of Radhika. She scored an aggregate of 96.6%. As a parent, what I liked about UT the most is the effective and prompt communication which they used to send to us in the form of SMS and email.
Studying hard work was what I did and I got my marks. And that's all you need. It's only a systematic work and a lot of hard work that you do and then you get marks. That's the thing. Thank you.
People say that there is no shortcut to success. I guess they have not yet come to Universal Tutorials. Universal Tutorials has been my shortcut to 94.8%. Good morning. Today I, Rohan Koilo, would like to share a few words with you. I must confess I am not the very studious type. I believe that academics is only a part of life, though an important one. A healthy mix of recreation and studies has worked for me well. The UT volumes have been useful tools in waging the war against long study hours and tough questions. As Anubhav sir himself said, there were indeed very few questions in the board exam which were not covered in the test series. In the end, I'd like to thank my family and all at UT for their support and guidance.
I am the proud parent of two students who have successfully passed out of UT. UT has equipped its students with very effective tools to enable them to excel in their academic performance. My son Rohan has acquired vital knowledge and has honed his problem-solving skills to an optimum extent, which led him to excel in his CBSE 10th standard exams. Thank you UT, and keep it up in bringing out the very best in your